4 AIs, 1 VTuber. Today we find out what these 4 AIs think about Hololive's cover corporation. The guidelines, this analysis was run 10 times on 10 completely separated sessions. Each AI was given Cover Corporation's annual physical report and the past year's price movements, and each AI was given autonomy to decide what was the best method to calculate their price forecast. Microsoft's Copilot was the most bullish of the 4 AIs covering Cover Corporation's 12-month forecast, calculating between a 3,100 to a 3,800 yen per share for 2026. Copilot placed several caveats on their prediction, including but not limited to the monetization and potential lack of interest with Hull Earth, and how the stock had become a breeding ground for short sellers. Grok arrived at its answer after using a cross-check method with what's known as the price-to-book ratio. After factoring in market fluctuations, currency variations, and other factors, Grok sees a modest outlook topping 2,500 yen per share over the next 12 months. Google's Gemini was slightly less enthusiastic than Grok, stating, quote, "Given the current financial metric, the company's forecast, and its current valuation, a suggested share price for Cover Corporation over the next 12 months is approximately 22 to 2,300 yen per share. This range is consistent with its current PE ratio applied to the forecasted EPS and aligns closely with recent trading prices, and investors might anticipate higher values if the company significantly outperforms its forecast, or if the VTuber market experiences even more accelerated growth than it currently is projected. However, for a data-driven suggestion based upon the provided documents, this range is appropriate." Even ChatGPT, who was extremely bullish on Anycolor, stated a 12-month valuation situated around 2,200, stating, "This aligns with both current market resistance and a 12-month forward-looking PE valuation at sector norms." ChatGPT goes on to cite risks in the profitability forecast that assumes a strong second-half performance in the company that provides no shareholder dividend to appeal to the income investor, currency valuation, and production challenges that could compress margins, especially in an industry that remains susceptible to cultural trends and IP relevance. Indeed, despite what you might see and hear from other news or DramaTubers channels, this is a cold splash of reality. With the announcement of Hololive Records, this brings a whole new dynamic to the puzzle. While the topic itself is best suited for a different video entirely, I will stress now that this could be an alarm to investors about the current situation of Hololive. With the announcement of this new offshoot project, investors need to pay close attention to cost of sales numbers heading forward, specifically the other cost of goods, including studio-related cost category in Hololive's quarterly reports. This is why, in all likelihood, ChatGPT raised concerns about the perceived risk of this strong second-half performance comment in the quarterly report. Especially when it comes to the past 2 years, Hololive has missed their earnings forecast and have a track record of bottoming out by the end of the fiscal year.